No, to Grandma Laris.
To Grandma Laris.
Go on.
Have red light.
Can you sing happy birthday to Grandma Laris?
I say red light.
I know you did. You're silly.
Green light.
Okay, can you...
Happy birthday to Grandma Laris.
Keep going.
Happy birthday to Grandma Laris. I say happy birthday.
You did, didn't you? Can you do it again?
Happy birthday to
Grandma Laris.
Grandma Laris.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Do you want to say something to her?
Happy birthday to her.
You say, I love you.
I love you.
Do you miss Grandma Laris?
Yes, but I do.
I know. We'll get to see her soon. Say, I love you, Grandma Laris.
Love you, Grandma Laris.